Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to be installing this curly lace wig, and I'm gonna be trying the ball cap method for the first time. So I've already put on the ball cap and I've already added some free spray to it, and now I'm just cutting the lace. I'm actually on my way to a wedding right now, so I'm actually in a little bit of rush to get this done. So I'm gonna be cutting the extra part of the cap here at the front. And as I said guys, this is my first time trying the ball cap method, so we're experimenting this together. So I'll be cutting the excess cap off of it, and then I'm gonna tie it down just for a little bit, just so it can be more secure, and then I'm gonna install the hair. I want to try using lace glue in the future, because I've always been using the free spray, which it does works well for me, because I do not keep on my wig for too long, no more than a week, and because I do my own hair, so I can always take it off and put it on back. So this hair guys, this hair can be purchased from my store, from my website, which is the www.thelustriousbeauty.com, and you'll be seeing the website on the screen here, and I'll also be leaving the website link in the description bar, so you guys can go and check out my store where you can get different kinds of hair to purchase, different color, different length, lace type, and hair types. So my website contains many different hair variants, including length, lace, and hair type, and also color. So I'm gonna be cutting the lace off the wig. Here I'm gonna be cutting the excess lace. Here I'm gonna be adding a little bit of got-to-be glue, just a little bit, not much. I've cut out most of the parts of this video, just to not make it too long and drawn out. So I've cut out most part of it. And I was actually in a rush to get out the house, because I had like a few hours before I get ready to leave. So I'm gonna be cutting the lace, as you can see here, and then I'm gonna be styling this hair is already pre-plucked also, so there's no need to actually pre-pluck it. It's already looking, we already have a natural hairline. You guys can also follow my business Instagram page, which is lustrous_beauty2022. I'll also be leaving that in the description bar below. And all I'm going to be adding to this hair, I'm also adding some got to be gel to the edges. I'm gonna be spraying some conditioned water on it, and I'm also gonna be using some oil. As you can see, that's all I'm gonna be using for this hair. I've also used the hot comb to straighten out the top part of it, but that part was cut out of the video, so I've already done that. And there you have it. I'm just gonna be spraying some conditioned water on it, which is what I always use for my curly hair. And I'm gonna be using some mousse, and then that will be it. So thank you guys so much again for watching my video. I really appreciate it. I have more videos and more content coming. Please go ahead and visit my website www.thelustriousbeauty.com to purchase your human hair wigs and accessories, and have yourself a nice day now wherever you are, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.